Part 2 of understanding your body. I want you to start to understand the differences between cravings and decoding cravings. So there's a quick short to try to get you here, but there is a lot of interesting concepts when it comes with cravings. So cravings are typically, I'm craving something sweet, I'm craving something salty, I'm craving something, nourishing, I'm craving something fat and greasy, kind of whatever you've said in the past. Cravings can come from a want, not necessarily a need. So it can relate to your environment, the people that you're with, the emotional state that you're in, your access, your closeness to food, or the event that's happening. There can be so many different things happening or related to cravings. The first step in any sort of mindfulness or getting to know your body is, what are you actually wanting? Is it a reaction? Is it a response? Is there an intention behind it? And some people say, I always crave this, or I always crave that. And you're already writing the script. So when you're using black or white language, like always or never, you're not giving any sort of curiosity behind it. So then I would want to understand, okay, typical trends is I always crave sweets after dinner. And so biologically, sweet cravings can be related to not enough carbohydrates. It could be related to your body's very intrinsic response to want quick sugary foods. Sugar, there's 6 simple sugars. Yes, chocolate and desserts have high amounts of that, but you could also find it in fruit. So it was just trying to understand, is this a neurotypical pattern that my body is responding in a neurotypical pathway where I've just always had sweets after dessert, after dinner. And so that's what we're just used to. The body really likes habit. So there could be, you're trying to break a habit and it takes longer to break a habit than to form a new one. So you have to give yourself a little bit of grace and time, that you have connections and like reflexes that you've just done mindlessly over time that take time to break. And so if you're craving certain sweet things after every 5 o'clock dinner, then put yourself in a position to pause and understand, well, what is happening? Do I have enough capacity to pause this? Do I have enough capacity to distract myself if it's a habit that you want to break? And if it's not, then have the chocolate, enjoy it, have the sweet. But most of the time people are coming to me because they're in pain or they want help in some way or they're scared of something. And so I'm assuming if you're watching this, you're wanting to change cravings. Cravings are typically a reaction of some sort. So it's understanding what's happening and what are you reacting to, and then what the state of your body is in. And then do you have the support system and the people in your life to support what you're trying to change? Hope that helps.